How to fix Apple Store billing problem. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an Apple Store billing problem. First, go to your settings. From here, scroll down and find the screen time option and click on it. Next, navigate to content and privacy restrictions and click on it. Under this, go to iTunes and App Store Purchases. Here, tap on In-App Purchases and check if the allowed option is chosen. If not, please select it. And that's it. You've successfully fixed an Apple Store billing problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!